It is
I heard
the
it.
29th of February 2024. This is WIKISPEED Standup. I have to get rid of that. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, it's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And past week, yeah, I did more on getting the Raspberry Pi in the Pi car connected, and I just went ahead and connected with a keyboard, mouse, and monitor, and I'm making progress. And coming week, then I hope to um, finish the construction of the car, finish the uh, setup of the Pi, and downloading, updating Pi, downloading the Pi car software, and finish the construction of the car, and try and get the remote working. Anyway. And I'd like to do the ball following, but we haven't got a successful case of that yet. So, and also web. I did the past week, going back to the past week, I did a little testing on the web, as you saw today. And so coming week, if there's anything I can help with on the web, if you want to make me the second person who can edit the web, do that. And so that's something else for the coming week. And blocks are and other things, volunteer things, and um, things around my house. Heat pump, heat pump is so. Fujitsu said they suggested replacing some cheap parts and see if that fixes it, and monitor how it goes. So, not got back to me. Whistle, is that you?
For me,
I'm getting a whistle, kind of whistle, 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 whistle.
I have an alarm that's going off downstairs on the oven. That might be it.
Yeah. Do you need to go to the oven?
Nope, nope. My wife is dealing with it, so,
Okay.
she's the one
All
that's
right.
not. Okay.
Okay. So that's it for me.
I think you missed blocks.
Oh, yeah. No, I said blocks,
Oh,
volunteer,
okay.
and heat pump and other things.
Okay. That's right. Messed up. I heard you talking about it. I missed the word blocks. Okay. It is Michael Olchuk, Western Canada. Last week, I basically got nothing done. Um, no tasks done. Planning for this coming week to progress the Sunfounder, get Ross up and running. I yeah. Anyway, a little bit on the knitting machine, and uh, the I think I got to get this website processing done. Um, the problem I ran into is it only does one of the emails. It doesn't loop around and do all of the emails, and I'm doing something stupid that's wrong in the loop, and I just can't see it. So, and blocks. I thought I didn't have any blocks, but I still didn't do anything on WikiSpeed. So hopefully, do better next week. Back to you.
So I'll give myself a 10, uh, 9 for the team, and process improvement is web. Continue with the web and start to draft. Actually, this is like a coming week thing. And also, I was going to jump back to the stand up because I also started to watch an interesting video about ROS 1 and ROS 2, where he said the thing that's lacking in ROS 2 and is going to take time is community and
Libraries.
the libraries. Yeah.
Yep.
So, yeah, and so then process improvement is reaching out and getting more people, which is looking more possible now. And I'm back to you.
Okay. I got 0 done. 1 for showing up for stand up. I guess I did watch the video that you forwarded on. Maybe I'll give myself 2 out of 10. Team, you're doing good. I'm going to say 8. And process of improvement. Um, the website really is quite an asset. We need to get it working for us again. So yeah, I guess we just keep plugging away. I'm not really sure. You sent the one email about what the address should be. I'm not actually sure what that should say because I don't believe there actually is a U.S. address.
I think that's a Joe question.
Yeah. Okay. So crosstalk. Is there anything you want on camera?
Not me, you.
Um, I have a few notes on Ross and on the Sunfounder that I just look up every time. We really should have a spot to put them. Um, I don't remember. Did we make a wiki project or sorry wiki factory project for it? I think so. We'll have to get it stored there or put it on GitHub. One of the two.
Yeah. So we're really into documentation here.
Yeah, we have wikifactory.com/wiki plus wikispeed/lrw/files. So, but it isn't for the Sunfounder specifically. Okay, I'll see if I can get the notes published so that we don't have to figure it out every time.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So,
Take her offline then.
yep.
Okay.